Hi again. I'm Emmi.
And I'm Sondra.
And we're with Midwest Community Federal Credit Union. Today, we're talking about an important topic, whether you're just starting out or you've done it a few times before, and that's buying a car.
Buying a vehicle is kind of a big deal because you'll be putting more money towards this decision than most of the others that you'll have to make. For most people, your car is your second largest expense, after housing.
With that in mind, we've got a few tips for you before you hit the dealerships to find your next new-to-you car.
Tip number 1, start with a plan. Whether it's your first or 50th time buying a car, always start with a budget. Decide on how much car you can afford before what kind of car you want, and stay within your means.
It also makes more sense to buy based on the purchase price rather than the monthly payment. Focusing only on a low payment can mean a longer loan term and a lot more money spent in interest in the long run.
Side note, brand new cars are shiny and cool, but depreciate in value the minute you drive off the lot. The downside is that the value of your car no longer matches the amount of your loan. That's called being upside down on your loan. The problem is that you'll be upside down a lot longer than the term of the loan, unless you pay more than you need to each month.
Side note, Midwest Community has a calculator on our website that will let you know just how much car you can afford, based on your credit score, down payment, and terms of your financing. Check it out at midwestcommunity.org/calculators.
Tip number 2, do your research. It's a mistake to get into the car lot without researching the car that you want to buy first. You can find out just about anything you want to know about a car online, so why not take advantage?
Most dealerships these days keep their car inventory online, and many have links to free Carfax reports for their used cars. Knowledge is power. Go online and price shop for the model, features, model year, and mileage that you want and can afford. A little digging online can help you get the best price possible.
Tip number 3, look into pre-financing options. If you can't pay cash, look into getting your financing secured ahead of time. Many people get financing at the dealership, but check with your credit union or your bank first, since they might be your best bet.
Dealership interest rates can be higher than you might get at your bank or credit union, so start with the experts at your financial institution. They'll get you on a payment plan that will work with your budget and keep your financials healthy. Tip number 4, don't buy the extended warranty. Third-party extended warranties are very expensive, and the coverage can be very limited. If you buy new, your car should include a solid manufacturer's warranty, and that should be more than enough to protect you.
Shopping for a certified pre-owned vehicle with a factory-backed limited warranty is also a great option. If you do decide an extended warranty is for you, just don't finance it along with your loan. Instead, set aside some money in a savings account to cover future repairs.
Tip number 5, sell your old car yourself rather than trade it in. You'll typically get more money for your used car by selling it on your own rather than trading it in at a dealership, an average of 20% more. Use sites like NADA.com, Kelley Blue Book, or Edmunds True Market Value to get a ballpark number you can expect to sell for.
Then, look for an affordable trusted site to list your car for sale, like Cars.com, AutoTrader, or eBay Motors. Do a little homework first and you'll maximize your return for your old car. There are times when trading in your old car at the dealer makes sense, like if you do happen to be upside down on your loan, or you want the convenience of dropping one car off and picking up another. The key is just to be realistic about your trade value.
Tip number 6, put the car through its paces. It seems obvious to really check the car out before you buy it, but 10% of the people who buy a new car don't test drive it first.
Every car has a feel. Make sure it's a ride you'll be happy with for a long time. Especially when buying used, test drive the car, order a vehicle history report, and have a mechanic you trust inspect the car. There may be issues you don't see or wouldn't know to look for.
Certified pre-owned cars are a great option, since they've already been run through multi-point inspections to make sure they're in good shape. Most even come with a Carfax thrown in. If a vehicle history report isn't offered at the dealership, check out Carfax.com, AutoCheck, or National Insurance Crime Bureau. Prices range from $10 to $40, but it's money well spent.
At the end of the day, buying a car is a big decision, and one you shouldn't rush into. Trust your instincts, and don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right.
Educate yourself so you can head to the dealership with a good handle on what to expect. That way, you can get the best deal. And the less you spend on a car, the more money you'll have for other things.
We hope these tips are useful to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call one of us at 419 783-6500.
Or send us a note on midwestcommunity.org. Happy hunting!